Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the lower freezer drawer in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Open the freezer drawer and use the small flathead screwdriver to pry the left slide rail tab away from the liner enough to release the drawer stop. Do the same to release the right drawer stop. With the stops out, you can fully remove the upper drawer. Next, use the 1/4-inch nut driver to loosen the 2 screws securing the drawer front. Lift the drawer front off the drawer glides and set it aside. You can now lift the old lower drawer up and squeeze the sides in to release it from the glides. To install the new lower freezer drawer, align it on the glides, making sure the rear hooks are secured under the glides. Then set the drawer in place. Reposition the drawer front on the glides and tighten the screws. Reinstall the upper freezer drawer by aligning the rear rollers on the track and the front rollers on the lower drawer, then push the drawer in. Snap both drawer stops into place to secure.